Hi everyone, I'm Tracy Blehm with Ignite Your Life Systems, and in today's Spark I want to talk about a little phrase of you become who your friends are. So let me say that again. You become who your friends are. So when you were growing up, you probably heard things like, oh, they hung out with the wrong crowd, or, they started hanging out with those people and then they became this. And that is actually very true, because we will attract to us relationships and opportunities based on who we are. So if you look at the flip side, where people will say things like, your success is based on your 5 closest friends and what they earn. That's another way of you become who your friends are, and so sometimes we have to up-level our friends, and I know that can sound cold, and I know that can sound hard. They've been with me through thick and thin and that kind of thing. But what will happen is, as you start to up-level, your friendships will naturally start to fall away. It's when we try to hang on to ones that are a bit dysfunctional, that aren't quite working, that kind of prevents us from moving forward. So, for example, if all of a sudden you're creating great success in your life and your friends are always broke or going bankrupt or what have you, you will start to feel sorry for them, so you will lower your vibration to match them, to understand them, to make them feel better. And that's a huge no-no when we are trying to create our own success. We can have compassion for them. We can offer them solutions that they then get to choose, but we still always need to be choosing us. So for myself, I want to talk to people who are creating possibilities, creating opportunities. So I will say to a lot of my friends, if you're phoning me for possibilities, opportunities, and solutions, I will listen. If you're phoning me to bitch, whine, and complain and then choose the same thing, I'm not interested. And I'm very point blank about that, because that's time I won't get back. And it also shows me that you're not willing to choose something greater. You want to stay stuck in that story. And I don't want to stay stuck in stories. I want to embrace possibilities and opportunities. So if you take a look around and you be 100% honest with yourself, are you staying stuck in story yourself? Have you had friends leave you? Have you had colleagues leave you? And is it time for you to up-level? Or do you have a lot that are coming to you? Are you the go-to person to listen to it all, give solutions that they never choose or do? So you might want to take a look. It could be time for an up-level. It could be time to up-level yourself or up-level your friends. Both will up-level you, but sometimes we have to look at ourselves first and see what we're choosing before we can choose the next step. So I hope that's inspired you. Would love to hear from you. Would love for you to hit the subscribe button so that you can continue to get these sparks directly to your inbox. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers.